Hi, my name is Madison Kornbliet. I'm 13 years old, and I'm going to be singing Up on the Fridge from Dear Edwina. When Katie's good at math, she gets a big